Welcome to Musa. Diving into the versatile world of comfort products, we'll cover everything from its range of colors to its many benefits and features for you. Subscribe to our channel and follow the link in the description to check out our store and enjoy huge discounts. Let's start with the colors and types. At Foamcraft, we offer a wide selection of upholstery foam to suit any project. Our white foam and gray foam are classic choices that blend seamlessly with most decor styles. If you're looking for something a bit more vibrant, our blue foam is a great option. For added comfort, consider our memory foam, which conforms to your shape for personalized support. Our upholstery foam, including the premium memory foam, is celebrated for its unparalleled comfort. Designed to offer the perfect balance of plush softness and robust support, one of the standout features of our foams is their customizability. Whether you choose our white foam, gray foam, blue foam, or memory foam, we can cut it to the exact size you need. This makes it easy to fit foam into unique furniture pieces or special DIY projects. And all of our foams are compliant to the UK's TTP fire-resistant standards, ensuring additional safety and reducing the risks. Our range of baby mattresses includes options tailored for every need: the cot mattress, crib mattress, Moses basket mattress, and Next to Me mattress. The cot mattress provides excellent support and comfort for growing toddlers. Finally, the Next to Me mattress is ideal for co-sleeping, featuring a versatile design that allows for easy attachment to your bed while ensuring your baby sleeps safely and comfortably right beside you. Additionally, our wedge pillow provides excellent support and comfort, ensuring proper alignment and a restful sleep for all ages. Transform your sleep with our bed gap fillers and cushions designed to seamlessly close the gap between your mattress. Don't miss out on our special discounts. Click the link in the description to visit our store and find your perfect foam solution today.